How to log out from Binance account. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is launch the official Binance website on your web browser and make sure you are logged into your account in order to log out. So now once you're inside the Binance account, you can see the profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen, your user icon or any avatar. Simply tap on it. Now you can see the drop down menu right after you tap on it, and at the bottom you can see logout option available. Click on the logout. Then you will be logged out of your Binance account. So that is it. For added security, enable 2FA to protect your Binance account while logging in, and these steps will help you securely log out of your Binance account on the desktop platform. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.